Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope that everybody is fine and doing well. I'm starting a series of lectures in research methodology in psychology in social sciences. So today is the first lecture, and let's begin with the first lecture that we will be talking about in all the coming lectures about research method and its introductory course. So looking at the first slide, that first of all, when we hear the word research, so a lot of things comes to our mind, and I will ask you this question from you people: that when you hear the word research, what comes to your mind? When I hear the word research, like laboratories, injections, needles, and devices, tools, materials, and all these things comes to my mind. Now this is your turn. When you hear the word research, what comes to your mind? Okay, let's go ahead. So first of all, we will define the word research as a literal and then as conceptual. So as the word suggests, that re mean again and search mean to search something or to gain something. So this is the literal meaning. Now coming into the definitions of these of this research word. So the word research means to modify something. Modify means to add something. To search something new. It means that to get into getting something new, or getting more knowledge about the previous one. So it's another definition is that validate the existing knowledge or gain new knowledge. Research will do two things: either it will validate the existing knowledge or will gain a new knowledge. Validate means to make it authentic, that it is authentic and there is no, or there were some of the mistakes that we removed. So that is called validation. Now existing knowledge, and this gain. So gain means to get new knowledge. Now coming into the definition of research, so it is the diligent in systematic inquiry into a subject in order to discover or revise facts and theories. So is from the definition that you can understand, this is a diligent. So diligent means hardworking and systematic scientific inquiry. Inquiry means investigation into a subject. It is for the subject in order, the aim of this is to discover or revise facts and theories. I hope that you might have understand the definition of the research. So let's go further into the coming points. Now few of the points that we talked about were first, the first point, that was diligent, systematic, fact, theories, and methods. Now going into the discussion about these words, what is diligent? So diligent means hardworking, and then systematic, this was available in the definition. So systematic means step by step, and facts, it is open to inquiry and investigation occurring in our environment. So facts is basically the truth, right? And theories is a theory is a set of organized principles. A theory is made of a lot. There are various theories like Sigmund Freud theory of psychosexual development, or psychodynamics, or other theories are available like erection psychosocial theory. So these are some of the theories. Now what is method? The method is the technique or the procedure which is used for the research. Now going into the further discussion, uh, here you can see on the slide that purpose of research, right? So unfortunately I wrote the word R. So purpose of research, this is of. So purpose of research is like there are various or several purposes of the research, but some of them are as following. So the first purpose of research is to solve a problem, then is to explore a concept, then third is to correct the previous errors, the fourth is to challenge the previous ideas, the fifth is to give answer to a question, and the sixth to get new information, the seventh to add something new to the existing. So these are a few of the purposes of our research. Now what are the different types of research? So there are five types of research: basic research, applied research, qualitative research, and quantitative research. We will discuss these in detail in the coming lectures. I hope that you might have understand this lecture so far, and the next video let's talk about these types of research in detail. I hope that you are understanding, because I am teaching, or I am delivering the lecture in a very simple method. And if you have any sort of query, questions, or any confusion, you can comment below in the box, and you can share this video with your friends for better understanding. Thank you very much.